Malta 2025, the smart move for global students and travelers. Looking for the perfect blend of sunshine, opportunity, and adventure in 2025? Then stop scrolling, because Malta just might be the best-kept secret for global students, digital nomads, and travelers looking for a fresh start, without the stress. Welcome to Malta 2025, the smart move for global students and travelers, your full guide to making it happen. Why Malta? Why now? Let's be real. Everyone's looking for that sweet spot. Somewhere affordable, exciting, English-speaking, and safe. Somewhere where you can learn, grow, and actually enjoy life. And in 2025, that place is Malta. Located in the heart of the Mediterranean, Malta offers over 300 days of sunshine a year, a laid-back island lifestyle, and a low cost of living, especially compared to France, Germany, or Italy. And here's the kicker. English is an official language. Yep, you heard that right. No language barrier. Whether you're attending school, ordering food, or chatting with locals, you're good to go. Hear it from the crowd. Still not convinced? Don't take our word for it. Listen to Anna from Brazil, 23 years old, who told us, "I just want to live somewhere chill, improve my English, meet people from all over, and not go broke doing it." Or Michael, an educational agent from Nigeria, who said, "My clients want visa clarity, real education options, and safety for their students." And then there's Luca, a backpacker from Italy. Backpacking in Malta is a dream. Small islands, blue waters, history, and you don't need to rush. These stories are real, and they're happening every day. Step-by-step travel and prep guide. All right, so how do you make Malta happen? Here's your pre-travel checklist. Know your purpose. Are you going to study, work, travel, all three? Get a valid passport. Make sure it's got at least 6 months before expiry. Research visa options, student visa, Schengen tourist visa, or the digital nomad visa. Choose what fits your goals. Apply to a legit program. We'll get into that in the next chapter. Secure housing. Don't wing it. Lock it in early. Buy travel insurance. Health first. Book your flights. Try to avoid peak summer if you're on a budget. Download the essentials. Bolt for rides, Revolut for money, and Google Translate, just in case. Study in Malta. Your options. Malta isn't just palm trees and sea views. It's also a top spot for education. You've got options like English language schools, vocational programs in hospitality, tech, and tourism. Short-term certifications like IELTS and TEFL, and university-level courses at places like the University of Malta or MCAST. Top institutions include EC Malta Gateway School of English Global College, Malta STC Higher Education. Whatever your goals are, from improving English to getting a degree, Malta has something for you. Where to stay? All right, let's talk housing. You've got a few options. Student residences range from 300 to 600 euros per month. Hostels, great for backpackers, go for about 15 to 30 euros per night. Shared apartments, 350 to 700 euros per month. Homestays, sometimes included in your school package. And for neighborhoods, check out Sliema. Perfect mix of local plus tourist vibe. St. Julian's, Nightlife Central, Masita, near the university, Valletta, the capital, full of charm, Gozo, the quieter, greener island. Chapter 6, Weather and Cost Breakdown. Let's talk numbers. The weather, unreal. Summer, 25 to 35 degrees Celsius. Beach days every day. Winter, 10 to 18 degrees Celsius. Hoodie weather at worst. And the cost of living? Rent, 350 to 700 euros per month. Groceries, 150 to 250 euros. Local transport card, 26 euros per month. Night out, 15 to 30 euros. English course for a month, 250 to 600 euros. Not bad for living in the EU, right? Safety, culture, and respect. Safety is a big deal, especially if you're traveling solo. Good news, Malta is one of the safest countries in Europe. Low crime, super chill vibe, LGBTQ plus friendly and healthcare. Both public and private options are solid. Just be respectful of local customs and laws, and keep this number in your phone. 112. That's the emergency line. Let's wrap with a quick action plan. Define your goals. Students, what do you want? Agents, guide them. 1. Choose your school students. Pick what fits. Agents, help with the applications. Apply for your visa. Students, get started early. Agents, double-check every document. 3. Book your housing students. Don't delay. Agents, offer solid recommendations. Prepare before departure. Students, download those apps. Agents, provide orientation guides. 5. Arrive and adapt students. Enjoy the ride. Agents, stay in touch for support. Malta in 2025 isn't just a destination. It's a lifestyle move. It's a smarter, sunnier, more affordable way to study, work, or travel across Europe. And it might just change your life. So, what are you waiting for? Make the smart move. Make it Malta.